We were very committed to doing something that was interesting and intimate, and not in the sense of it being small, but intimate in the sense of it being something where we could have more meaningful conversation.
When I talk today, the expectation is not that I'm going to tell you what to do, because our business is completely different than yours. I'm going to tell you a little bit of what we are doing on the biggest loyalty program in the world to give you some ideas of how something we're doing on a global scale, you can do on a local scale.
We're very new. We're at the very early stages of creating this brand. I mean, we're still in the middle of picking a logo, creating a website. So these conferences, these events help a lot. I think it's taking in information, networking, getting tips and ideas from people that have done this, that are in this industry, are succeeding in this industry, and taking that on to succeed ourselves.
Perfect.